When you open your Starboard software, you are in the Whiteboard space. Across the top, you have a menu bar. In the top right corner is the status indicator. The status indicator shows a hand if you are connected to the Starboard and touch is active. It also shows which tool is active, if you are working on the top layer or the background, and which page of the document you are working on. Starboard gives you an expandable workspace, so you have scroll bars to move vertically and horizontally around the page. The floating toolbar allows you to quickly access the tools and functions you use most often. At the bottom, when you click Menu, you have access to the same menu bar that runs across the top of your workspace. Each tool has properties associated with it, and at the bottom of your workspace, there is a context bar which allows you to quickly change the settings for the currently active tool. Notice as I change tools, the options change in the context bar. Along the side of your workspace are the blue sidebar tabs. We will address these tabs in different tutorials. When you click on the small blue triangle on the opposite side of the page, the sidebar tabs will switch sides. To move them back, click the triangle again. In the bottom right-hand corner is a small trash can which allows you to delete objects by clicking and dragging them onto the icon. Finally, the Whiteboard space is your blank canvas to explore your creativity. To make changes to the Whiteboard page layout, watch the tutorial, Customizing Your Workspace. Now you know how to navigate the Whiteboard page layout.